In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your Bitcoin to euros in just a few steps using your Kraken account. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So first of all, we will obviously need to log into our Kraken account and have some Bitcoin in our wallet. So as you can see right here, I have Bitcoin, and if we want to sell it and convert it to euros, we can go right here and click on sell, and then just put in the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell. You can also click on convert and at the top select Bitcoin, or this actually works for any crypto, but for this case it will be Bitcoin, and right here just search for euros. Just like this, click on euro and select how many euros you want to get. You can also click right here to exchange all your Bitcoin to euros, but for example, let's say we want to sell 50 euros worth of Bitcoin. So just do it like this, convert now, review, and this will show you the rate. So this is the Bitcoin to euro rate. This is how many Bitcoins you are converting. This is the fee, and this is how much money you will receive. So just click on confirm, and after that you will have euros right here on your Kraken wallet. Then if you want to withdraw that money to your bank account, just go to transfer, withdraw, find cash right here and select euros. So this way you will find two different payment methods. There might be more depending on your country, but for example this one will offer an instant bank transfer to your bank account. So just click there and fill in your bank account information, or you can also use this one for international bank transfers. This will take from 1 to 5 business days, and it also has a little bit higher fee. But that's it. That's how you can convert your Bitcoin to euros on Kraken. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.